Hello, welcome, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. So welcome to my next video. So this video includes the journey which I have done till now, and you saw in my YouTube channel. So this is the short video in which the song was selected by me in the end, the newer version of Linkin Park. So he is one of my best singer in this zone. So let's enjoy this video.
It starts with all I know. So unreal. Watch you I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It starts with all I know. So unreal. Watch you I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It starts with all I know.
So as I said, this is not any tech video, unboxing video or any moto video. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon for more updates. So thank you, meet you on my next vlog. Bye bye, take care.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.